In this video, we will talk about WinRaR Diagnostic message fix. Make sure to watch the complete video before you follow any step. Method 1. Keep broken files. Right-click on the corrupted file. Take your cursor on WinRAR. Select Extract Files. Check this box, Keep Broken Files, and click OK to start the extraction. This will allow WinRAR to extract whatever parts of the archive it can, even if some parts are damaged. Method 2. Use different software. Right-click on the corrupted file. Take your cursor on Extract and select Use WMaster ZipKing. Select Extract option. Click on Expand. Select Keep Damaged Files and click on Extract Now. Here you can see my file is intact. WMaster ZipKing is designed to maintain file integrity during extraction. It uses advanced algorithms to ensure that files remain undamaged and uncorrupted throughout the process. Check out the link given in the description. Method 3. Repair the corrupted archive. Click in Search, type WinRAR, and select Open. Navigate to the folder containing your corrupted .rar file. Click on the upside arrow. As I have file in desktop, so I am selecting desktop. Select the file, then click the tools from the top bar. Choose Repair Archive. Select Treat the corrupt archive as zip. Now click on Browse. Select your folder location. I'm selecting desktop. Right-click in here, create a new folder. Click on Select Folder. Now click on OK. Open the folder you have created. Here you can see Rebuild.geek file is created. Right-click. Take your cursor on WinRAR, select Extract here. Hopefully this will help you out and fix WinRAR Diagnostic message. If these methods didn't resolve your issue, check out other solutions linked in the I button above. That's all for today. See you in the next video.